So let's take a look at example number 2. Now, you certainly are welcome to go forward and try numbers 2, 3, and 4 all by yourself. But I'm going to kind of walk through these, or at least number 2 with you in case you want a little demonstration. So I'm going to use my first period sentences. So this one reads, Eli was proud of his mole project for chemistry. He had glued together a rudimentary collection of popsicle sticks, Legos, and real squirrel fur. So what I would ask you to do is to keep the main sentence, which is Eli was proud of his mole project for chemistry, and to take something in sentence 2 and make it into a positive of sentence 1. So think about what we have. When I have something over here in sentence 2, I got to figure out what do I want to bring over to sentence 1. Well, I have he, which is renaming Eli, but it'd be weird to say Eli, he was proud of his mole project. So that's not going to happen. And I don't want to bring over a verb, had glued. Together is just an adverb. So now I have a rudimentary collection of popsicle sticks, Legos, and real squirrel fur. Well, this is interesting because this noun collection is actually renaming the mole project. I could say Eli was proud of his mole project for chemistry, comma, a rudimentary collection of popsicle sticks, Legos, and real squirrel fur. Eventually, we're going to talk about why sometimes they get commas and sometimes they don't get commas as in a positive. But for now, you trust me. I'm going to put a comma after the word chemistry. So let's diagram this one as Eli was proud of his mole project for chemistry, comma, a rudimentary collection of popsicle sticks, Legos, and real squirrel fur. I'm going to build this close to my top because I'm going to need some space below. So here's my base sentence, which is going to be Eli was a little to be verb, which goes into a slanted line, and here's my adjective, proud. Remember, proud can't be a verb. You can't pride anything. So therefore, proud must be the adjective. This makes this a nice little pattern too. If you want to denote that, you certainly can. He was proud of project. It's his project. It's a mole project. And it's a project for chemistry. Now I'm going to add in my positive. I know that collection is really, I'm going to change my color here so you can see it. The word collection is really renaming project. So therefore, I want to put collection right next to project. So therefore, I'm going to put it here. The positive can go anywhere it wants to be as long as it's next to the noun it's renaming. So therefore, in parentheses, I'm going to add in collection. This is the positive of the word project. And now I can add in those extra words. It's a collection, a rudimentary collection. It's a collection of, I don't think we've ever done a 3-way split. It's a collection of 3 things. It's going to look like a trident here. We're going to split it 3 ways. Kind of crazy. So we'd say it's a collection of sticks. But they're popsicle sticks. They're a collection of Legos. And it's a collection of fur. Real fur. And then they're also squirrel fur. And our conjunction is and. Well, you're going to find a couple different ways. I don't mind putting the word and in here because even though technically in the diagram the word and is just joining these last 2, structurally the word and is joining all 3. So I don't mind putting the word and so that it connects all 3 together. Some people will disagree, but I'm right and they're wrong. So there you go. This is our positive right here. That's why I did it in a different color. This is a positive of the object, the preposition. So it's like saying Eli was proud of a collection, a rudimentary collection of this, or Eli was proud of his mole project. It's the same exact thing. So once again, remember the positive can go anywhere it wants to go as long as it's next to the noun that it's renaming. And that's how we create the positive. Try number 3, try number 4, and then come back, take a look at the answer key and make sure you did okay with this before we take a look at how we punctuate them.